Good day, everyone. I have a variety of ways that I like to display some of my previous adventures and some of my souvenirs. Over here, one of my old license plates from when I used to live in Iceland. I've got push pin maps, souvenir boxes, but the display behind me is my absolute favorite way that I like to display some of my adventures. I have all the countries that I've been to and their currency that I brought back, as well as some placeholders down here for my next 2 countries I plan on visiting. But doing this it's really easy, it's really quick, and it's a pretty unique way to display your previous adventures, especially if you have some extra currency left over that you brought back with you and you don't know what to do with. I've gotten a lot of compliments on it, so I'm going to show you how I do it. Here are the materials you are going to need for this project. You're going to need frames of your choice, flags of whatever countries that you plan on displaying, currency, should you have it. If you don't have any currency, don't fret. I found a lot of sellers have currency on eBay. You're also going to need some command strips, I like the Velcro kinds, and a ruler. Completely optional is painter's tape, just so you can help measure out and make sure that your frames are level.
Once you have your coins and flags put into the frames, attach your command strips to the back, and then go ahead and mount them to your wall. Use whatever spacing technique that suits you best. For me, I use painter's tape so I can keep the marks off the walls.
Now you have a pretty cool way to display some of those coins that you bring back from all the countries that you visit, or even just have them as placeholders like I do for future countries, which are these 2 for me. I'm going to Costa Rica soon, so stay tuned for that. Japan is on the radar, so I'm looking forward to going to Thailand. I'm hoping in February. Australia I was supposed to go to earlier this year, but you know, things happen. Germany I'm looking at, and yes, that is Antarctica. If you found this useful or maybe sparked an idea for you for something that you might want to do for your travel display, give me a thumbs up or let me know in the comments. I'd also love to see your travel displays as well. Have a good one.